It's become a fixture at Assiniboine Park. The steam train has now been chugging along for 60 years. And today a party was held to mark the milestone. CTV photojournalist Dan Timmerman stopped by for a ride.
I think Winnipeg is pretty lucky to have this train. It's the only coal-burning steam train in a city park in all of Canada, and it's quite historical. A lot of people love the train. It's very bright in colors. It's got multiple colors. It's got brass. It eats coal. It drinks water. When you see the rods move and the smoke move, it's a living machine.
I remember coming here all the time with my mom. The smell of the coal, the fun of the train, so that's why we came out for the anniversary.
I remember as a wee little one riding it. It wasn't a trip to the park unless Mom and Dad put us on the train.
The track is a mile long. It goes through a tunnel over a pond, and it goes through a forested area part of the park.
It's a piece of the past. You get to experience a little bit what it was like back in the day, and it's really fun to just be with your kids and see them experience something that they don't get to experience every day.
Honestly, it's people. When I was a kid, it was about driving the engine and getting to experience that thrill, what I wanted to do as a kid. But now it's about seeing faces. It's about people seeing coming up who are also interested.